Attention please. This is about public interest litigation or PIL. SR के स्टाइल में नाम तो सुना ही होगा. As the term itself suggests, it is litigation for upholding the public interest. Because otherwise, courts run on the principle of locus standi. To approach the court, you have to prove how you are the aggrieved person and why you should get the relief. The concept of PIL allows individuals or groups to approach the court on behalf of others who may not be able to do so themselves, particularly when addressing the issues of public interest. The concept sprouted in a 1979 case of Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar. This one focused on inhuman conditions of prisons and under-trial prisoners. Justice P.N. Bhagwati and Justice B.R. Krishna Iyer were among the first judges to admit PILs in court. This has been the positive side of PILs. There is another side of the coin. In recent times, public interest litigations at times become publicity interest litigation. Some people think that PILs are their ultimate chance to become famous. However, courts are strict against such casual behavior, and the dreams of quick fame sometimes hit harder when courts impose heavy costs. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 PILs which were either weird or unheard of, mostly off the track. So let's start. PIL for protocol breach during CJI Gawai's visit. Filed shortly after the CJI appealed to let the matter rest, this PIL sought inquiry into protocol violations. The court called it cheap publicity, rejected the petition and imposed Rs 7,000 cost. PIL against Bombay High Court Chief Justice's oath format. A person challenged the validity of the oath administered to Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, claiming procedural flaws. The Supreme Court dismissed it as frivolous attempt to get publicity and imposed Rs 5 lakh as cost. Ban on Sardar jokes. A PIL was filed seeking a ban on jokes targeting Sikhs on grounds of hurting their sentiments. The matter is still pending before the Supreme Court, which emphasized the importance of sensitizing children and society to curb damaging stereotypes undermining Sikh dignity and equality. Return of Kohinoor Diamond. Another bizarre plea demanded that India seek legal restitution of Kohinoor Diamond from the UK. The Supreme Court eventually disposed of the petition, stating that it could not interfere in the diplomatic process nor direct another country to not auction the diamond. Is Darwin wrong? In 2023, the Supreme Court tossed a PIL that questioned Darwin's theory of evolution and Einstein's E is equal to mc square. The court's comments: if that is your belief, then you can propagate your own belief. This cannot be a writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution, which has to deal with the issues of fundamental rights. Stop superstition with judicial degrees. A 2024 PIL demanded a court order clamp down on superstition and sorcery practices. The court rejected it, saying such cultural change should come via education and not litigation. Ban on artificial insemination of cattle. A PIL claimed indiscriminate use of ART in livestock cruelly reduced biodiversity and should be banned. The Supreme Court took notice, seeking action from government department. Netaji Bose disappearance. Filed by an advocate seeking probe into Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's disappearance. The court labelled it as hopeless and frivolous, dismissing with 50,000 cost. Ban on Coca-Cola and Thums Up. A social worker's plea to ban these soft drinks for health reasons was thrown out as dubious with a hefty cost of Rs 5 lakh. The court questioned why two specific brands were chosen in particular to be targeted in the proceedings. Quran verse deletion. A bizarre petition seeking deletion of 26 Quranic verses was described as absolutely frivolous and fined 50,000 by the Supreme Court. These were just 10 of such PILs which we could find. If you remember any such important PIL which sounded weird or never thought of, please share with us.